Have you ever stopped to ponder how everything in our world is interconnected? Imagine a spider web. Each strand is linked, creating a complex, integrated structure. That's the essence of systems thinking. It's a holistic approach to problem solving that doesn't just focus on the individual strands, but rather the web as a whole. It's about understanding how one action can ripple through the system, influencing and being influenced by other parts. It's like looking at a picture in its entirety instead of just its individual pixels. Systems. Thinking allows us to see the bigger picture, to understand the intricate dance of cause and effect. It provides a fresh perspective on complex issues. Systems thinking isn't just a theory, it's a tool we can use in our everyday lives. So, what exactly does a system consist of? Let's break it down. First, we have the input. This is the information, materials, or energy that are fed into the system to be processed or transformed. Think of it like the ingredients for a recipe. Next comes the process or processors. These are the mechanisms or procedures that transform the inputs into something else. This is where the magic happens, just like when you mix and bake your ingredients. The output follows. It's the end product, the result of the process acting on the input, like your freshly baked cake. But a system isn't just about input, process, and output. There's control, the element that ensures the system's outputs match the desired standard or goal. It's like your recipe instructions guiding the process to achieve the desired cake. Then we have feedback. This is information returned to the input of the system to inform, regulate, or modify the process for future outputs. It's like tasting your cake and deciding to add more sugar next time. We also consider the environment, the surrounding external conditions or context in which the system operates. It's like your kitchen conditions affecting your baking. Finally, there are boundaries. These are the limits that define what is inside the system and what is outside. It helps distinguish the system from its environment, like designating your kitchen as your baking zone. By understanding these elements, we can apply systems thinking to any situation or problem. Why does systems thinking matter, you may ask? Well, it's a game changer. It allows us to see the bigger picture, to comprehend the complexity of our world, and to acknowledge the interconnectedness of its elements. It equips us with a comprehensive view of situations or problems, enabling us to identify underlying patterns and structures that might otherwise go unnoticed. And here's the kicker. This holistic perspective can spur innovative solutions that address the root cause of a problem rather than just its symptoms. It's like putting on a pair of glasses that lets you see the world in a whole new light. So next time you're faced with a complex issue, remember, think in systems. It could change the way you see the world.